topic. All of you are more confident than me because you all have done a course on deep learning. So we are just kind of revising. So problems and all you can solve and tell me the answers. Okay, let us just quickly browse through. The reason for today's strength is to say me something. I want 100 plus. Okay, if that is the reason why many have come, bring your other friends too. Priya is here.
Yes, ma'am.
If they have come for that, I need 100 plus count. I can see 88 by now. Anyway, there is time till the class finishes. So let us see. Yeah, are you guys able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, just let us. So what do you all know about neural network? What is this neuron? Where did we get this terminology neuron? Can
It is
somebody say?
inspired from the biological neuron, ma'am.
Yes. So it is inspired from our biological neuron, what we have. So from the neuron, this terminology and some ideas also from that. What is that is, I know you all are aware of all this. We are just quickly browsing through. Okay. So so we have neurons. So actual biological neuron would be like this, where we have cell, body, axon, and then you will pass it on to another neuron, from one neuron to another neuron. Similarly, here also we have inputs, like we have dendrites on the cell body. We have inputs, different inputs. Then there is something like a summation, summation happening. So some kind of a junction, then there is some kind of an activation also, and then the output is given to the next layer or next neuron, etc. So it's kind of mathematical function that tries to model the functioning of a biological neuron. Not exactly, but yeah, from that is the base. So we understand that we have basically single layer and a multi-layer feed-forward network, where we have, when we say single layer, we have only input layer and output layer. When we say multi-layer, we have hidden layers also in picture. So single layer feed forward network, when I say, we have input layers of source nodes and then output layer of neurons. So then we understand that what is a simple perceptron, isn't it? So what do we have? We have inputs, we have a bias, then it is the summation happens, and then it is passed through an activation function, and the output from that will be the predicted Y, and it should match with the target Y, actual Y, something of that sort, isn't it? So Rosenblatt was the first person to propose perceptron, and so this is how your single symbol perceptron would look like. Inputs are there, it has some weights, summation, it goes to the summation module, and then there is some kind of transfer function or activation function, and then the output. Okay, so that is our basic step. It's a single layer because we have only input layer and output layer. We don't have something called hidden layer here. So how we use it for, of course, we understand that we need linearly separable classes for a simple perceptron to work. Okay. So then for the simple perceptron, how it happens, the network is presented with cases from the training data one at a time. Then what happens is after training, in the sense, sorry, when you do some kind of weight adjustment based on the error, then that we say that we are training the neural network. So one at a time we see the observation, and then with small value of eta or alpha, whatever we say, it's the learning rate, and then the network will learn or converge to the optimal values of weights. Initially we choose some random weights, and then we finally converge to the optimal weights where we have minimal error. So that's what we say. Then I think you all know, you all would have studied, I think, in extensively you would have studied what is perceptron, how is it training, etc. Isn't it? In your deep learning class. Actually, I thought of this thinking that that was an elective, so others may not know. But later I understood that all of you have taken this course. So I guess you would remember. I'm just revising it, okay? So what happens is activation function can be anything, but here they have shown one activation function. And what happens is for a y in, how it executes is bias plus sigma xi wi, where xi are the inputs, w are the weights, and then it passes through an activation function and gives the output y. So this was y in, then we get y, and then we check whether y and t are same. If not, we update the weights and bias. So when we update the weights, so maybe you are familiar with writing W naught as bias or sometimes B as the bias. Both are fine. Then if the Y, that is your predicted Y and the actual Y is not same, then we update the weights. So for updating, I think you would have followed alpha TXI. There are other like variations like alpha into T minus O into XI also, if you can see some books. So I think you say it as, I forgot the rule name. It's some variation of the rule. So alpha TXI is one method what you do, and even you have alpha T minus O, which is target minus actual output. Sorry, target minus predicted output. So both are both cases are there. So this, when we say, it is just alpha TXI. So after finding the updation, we just modify our weights. Okay. Then can you all just try and solve and tell me what would be the answer? So or maybe one of you can just tell me the, not the usual people. Now I think this is not something new to you. This is all very familiar to you. So one of you who is not uh, usually answering can maybe help me out in wonderful strength 98. Okay, so can just tell me how will you proceed with this? If it's a single layer perceptron, of course this is a single layer symbol perceptron because you have input layer and output layer, there is no hidden layer, so it's a single layer, and activation function is given, input output is given, it is told it is bipolar input and targets, and then it's an AND function, and they have initialized the weights, bias, and all this. I think yeah, all initial weights are 0. Okay, and even the threshold for this is also 0. So all these are set to 0, and learning rate is set to 1. So can somebody say me what would be the, maybe I'll call, or you can say what could be the next step? All of you, I think all 98 who are here have attended deep learning class. So one of you can just unmute and say, I don't want the usual like daily whoever responds. I don't want them to speak. I want somebody else to say something. Eager to hear to your voices. You don't have to leave. You can just tell. Who would like to answer? You're going to tell me how perceptron works.
We have to find the error rate and then we have to adjust the
Who's
weights.
that? Ekant is not a person who is not answering usually, isn't it? I want the newcomers. Today some VIPs have come for some reason. Okay. So I want them to just tell something. You all are there usually in my class.
Ma'am, can I tell?
You are also there, I guess. Meghna. Somebody who doesn't usually see me and I don't see them. Very quiet, which means you all not have done any deep learning course. Sujit, are you here? We will listen only when ma'am speaks about quiz.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you just help me out in figuring out what is the next step? Maybe you don't remember properly, it's still fine. Just roughly whatever you remember, you can tell. This is just simple single layer perceptron. How will you proceed? How is the training happening here?
Ma'am,
Inputs in, yeah.
first we will calculate the weights into the values and plus bias we will calculate it and finding
Okay.
error and we will update weights.
Yeah. So first is Y-in calculation. So how will you calculate sigma Wi xi plus bias? Yeah.
Yes.
So Wi are all 0. Bias is also 0. So all that is 0 now.
Yes.
Isn't it? Now, so Y-in is 0. Now what will you do?
Now y is 0. Sorry, ma'am, I didn't.
Do you apply? Yeah, that is correct. This much is correct only. You find sigma Wi xi plus bias. After which you got Y-in. Now will you pass it to activation function?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
don't. Yes.
I didn't.
So, yeah. So our answer was 0. So if this was your activation function, what will be your Y?
0.
0. So your Y, the output predicted is 0. Now target, which is your actual Y was
1.
we were taking the first input, isn't it? So corresponding target was 1. But actually now we have predicted it as 0. So what will be our next step? Target not equal to predicted. Then
Then we will update the weights, ma'am.
update the base. Yes. So this is the first step. So what he is telling us here, so that is b plus x1 w1 plus x2 w2. That is our Y-in calculation, which was 0. Then we applied the activation function. Then our Y is 0. T equal to 1, Y equal to 0. So it's not matching. So we update the weights. Okay. So updating the bias new equal to old bias plus alpha into T. Alpha is 1. T is also 1. So we get 1. Now W1, similarly when we update we get 1, alpha is 1, T is 1, X1 is 1. Okay, similarly for X2 also, but the previous ones were 0. So that is why 0 plus 1, so it is 1. So we got new bias, new weights. Okay, now what happens with this? We go to the next input with the new, that's how we proceed, isn't it? Yes. Okay. You can mute yourself. Let me just check since we have already reached one step. Maybe somebody else also can help me. Charan, Charan Sai is here. You may be cursing me, no? We just came to tell about the quiz. Why you are calling us? Not Sai Charan. I think N Charan Sai. Nalam Charan Sai. You there or not? So how are you going to speak to me regarding the quiz? Suddenly you all will be present. Raghuram, are you here? Ma'am told you should bring count, so count is
Ma'am, can
there.
you go to the 10th slide once? Yeah, I'll just take a screenshot. I was doing something else, like calculating something else.
I didn't understand. Can you repeat?
No, ma'am, this is to be done using perceptron method, no, ma'am. So I was
Perceptron
just
training is
normally.
what we are talking about.
Yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
So I was just looking at the table, whether it is 1 and 0 or 1 and minus 1, I got confused. You
1
can
and
move,
minus
ma'am.
1. Bipolar,
Yes,
it
ma'am.
was told, no? Initially.
Yes, ma'am.
If it was binary, 1, 0 we would take. It is just instead of 0, we take minus 1. That's all. Maybe this you would have, this 0 and here maybe you got confused. Maybe you thought it is 0 and 1. Somebody else? Raghuram is not answering.
Ma'am, actually, all that is previous time, no, ma'am, without revising, like we are just revising things. And you
Yeah,
told the formula anyways. And if you call like that, we'll get scared, no, ma'am. You should at
I didn't
least give us.
understand. What is
This
it?
is last time, no, ma'am. Like formula, we know that is new weight equals to old weight plus
Yes,
alpha TH.
yes,
But
yes.
then implementation procedure and all, we would have forgotten, no, ma'am. We would be
That is okay.
revising.
That is okay. Just now we discussed for one input. No, listening to that you could
Huh.
have recollected. That's all I meant. I am
Yes, ma'am.
helping. What is there in just speaking? You are in final year. You in the sense the class. Scared. That too. I should believe all this. Huh? Scared, you guys. It is just that we don't want to answer. We don't want to take even that much effort. That is the only issue. I am anyway telling even if they are stuck. I just want to hear their voice. Whether we have 100 in the class. Anybody who wants to volunteer? No one. See. Okay, Meghna, you continue. You wanted to say no? The next step you can say. So we already mentioned about the first input. Okay, and we got a target which is different, sorry, y which is different from the target. So we updated the weights, we got it as 1, 1, 1. The bias is also become 1. Okay, so it is 1, 1, 1. Now what is the next step?
We use the weights that we just calculated to find the new output using the
Yes,
same the
second
next
input.
input.
Yeah, so the
Second input.
second input we take and the updated weights, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay.
And then again, we will check if it is the same as the actual what we want,
Huh.
the target. If it's not, then we will update the weights again using the same formula. Otherwise, we will keep it as it is.
Yes. Okay, so that's what she said. So using the current in the step 1, that is using the first input, what we did, we had updated the weights. That updated weights are now used for the second input. Now the second input was 1 minus 1 minus 1. So the question was for AND function. Okay, so only the first input we get the output target as 1, all others it will be minus 1. So we know that it is your same what is that, same textbook etc what I took, so that's why I'm not like describing the problem so much etc. So the problem was and function, and we had bipolar inputs and targets, initial weights, everything is 0. Okay, so and we reached one step where we have updated our weights. Now this updated weight is used for the second step where we use second input. So our second input is 1 minus 1 and our target is minus 1. Bias is always anyway 1. I'm sorry, bias is the updated bias is 1. The weights are also 1. Now we calculate the y in. We got it as 1. Okay, now we pass it to the activation function. We again get the y also as 1. Now our predicted y is 1, target is minus 1. So the difference is, they are not same. So we need to update again the weights. So we got it as 0 to, we know it is alpha xt, isn't it? So we updated and now it is 0 to 0. Again with the third input, okay, x1, x2 and t, we know that this is our input, that is x1, x2. So we again try to up this, the previous step what we obtained the weights and the bias, those updated weights and bias we are using to calculate the y-in. Okay, so y-in is just bias plus sigma wi xi. So w1 x1 plus w2 x2 plus bias. So we calculated that y-in value to be 2. Now since y-in is calculated, the next step would be finding the y after passing through activation function. We got it as 1. Now what? We know y is 1, but the target was minus 1, so we did not get the same. So since they are not same, we update the weights. So we update the weights using the previous weight updation formula. Bias also is updated. Only difference is when we have weight updation, we have x1 and x2. Like if it is w1, we have x1 here in this term. When it is w2, we have x2 in this term. But when it is bias, we will have 1 in that term. Instead of x1 or x2, it will be 1. So that term is not there. So we updated the weights and the bias. Now we use that for the next input and we calculate the y-in. Then we have y. Then we get, what is that? Y and t became same. So there is no weight updation here. This is after one epoch. Okay. So similarly, it can go for multiple epochs till we converge, or there would be some criteria how we stop our number of epochs. Okay, so maybe our difference should be minimal, or those kind of things. That criteria can be anything, but we have set some threshold kept, and when it is below that, we stop. So that is how we do a simple perceptron training. Okay, so I think now it is revised. This is what I was talking about. So what we used was this eta, alpha and all synonymously they use. Okay, so some places they use alpha, some places they use eta. So this is our learning rate. That's all we have to think. And we used alpha t xi. That was our formula what we used for updating the weight. But there are cases where they use t minus o also. That is the difference or the error. Okay, error is multiplied to the eta and x. Okay, so can we just, since we have now revised our concept and we are very much thorough because we have gone through all the deep learning algorithms. So I think you can do it now. Maybe just see this question. So that is, find the weights required to perform the following classification using perceptron network. So don't wait for the exam to come because now already you know the concepts. You're just revising it, revise it now. So the vectors are given, okay, and the class value is given. So these two vectors belong to class or target value 1, and these two belong to target value -1. Learning rate initially is 1. Initial weights are all 0. Okay, even the bias. Now, so this is our input. Okay, this is our input corresponding target, and this is our activation function. Can you try? Can you start trying and just tell me the answers or steps? So Priya, it is still not 100 plus. Okay, so I assume people don't want a change. A change for a quiz.
Dashara, this discount, ma'am. Even Flipkart and Amazon gives.
And that discount was 130 minus 30. The 30 was your discount. From that again, there is no discount.
Ayyo, that you should tell before, no, ma'am.
That is why I told 100. 30, I'm just giving an excuse. Maybe you have some placements or something is there. So I assume that they are not able to come. But I understand that there is nothing happening.